Hey, hey, hey! How's everybody? Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my kids storybooks with Unrestricted PLR review. So, kids storybooks, this product is a PLR product, unrestricted at that, okay? By the way, so good to feel better at last. So important to give everybody a break, when it's asking for it. I thought I would just mention it. Anyhow, yeah, I'm almost back on track. So, here we have the sales page, guys. I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review in the description box. Go check it out. They do say, what do they say? Well, they say seize the opportunity with our highly sought after top converting kids storybooks. So it's kids storybooks featuring 101. I like this, very particular. 101 kids stories with unrestricted PLR. Start selling this. Yes, so what you're getting, guys, this review is gonna be sweet and short, by the way, because even though there is a lot of value in this product and it's only $10, all right, is it? Let me double check the front end. It is. Let me just refresh the sales page, and yeah, there you go. So $9.99. So as I was saying, even though there's a lot of value, you're getting here 101 PLR kids books with beautiful images, right, and sweet stories. Obviously, AI generated. So, but they are, done for you, ready to resell, ready to be given away as bonuses. It's unrestricted PLR, so PLR is your personal license rights, right? So apart from being able to sell them on Warrior Plus or JVZoo and perhaps ClickBank as well, you can pretty much, do with them and sell them wherever you want. Obviously keep them for yourselves. But I would probably try and sell them on Etsy, and I thought that, I would give you some bonuses to help you monetize this product. So I'll give you a whole training course, how to sell creations on Etsy, from A to Z, really, like from setting up the store to the checkout to charging, your customers, right? And also amazing, here, two amazing, very sweet bonuses on how to create picture ebook in Word, so from scratch. If you wanted to do it yourself, it's a PLR product, by the way, as well. So let me show you this product. It's an ebook, okay, a beautiful one. There you go. And it's 40 pages long, so that's the table of content. You may wish to pause the video and check it out. I'm just gonna quickly scroll through. By the way, my daughter read it through, and it got her stamp of approval. Why? Because she's thinking of, writing her own books for toddlers. She's almost 10. She's always been a bookworm, and that's the thing, if you read a lot, it really, makes you a very, very imaginative person, a person with, endless imagination. And the vocabulary is just amazing as well. Her vocabulary, okay? So, yeah, she read it through. I said I would, help her set up a store on Etsy, and, she's got a passion for it, why not? But yeah, you're getting that, and you're also getting Talented Kids Secrets. It's a master reseller rights, okay? So you can resell it, get all of the profits. Whatever you choose to charge for it is yours, are yours. But you cannot change it up, okay? So let me show you this. It's in PDF. It's 53 pages long, and that's the table of content. Very good. How to bring up the best, in kids. How to encourage the, hobbies, natural talents, and help them express themselves as naturally as possible. Okay, so cool bonuses, I believe. Now here is the product, guys. So you're getting like short stories, but obviously, what I would do, I would create individual books using Canva, and then I would just yeah, sort of like maybe add more pictures. I would make this into the book cover, this photo here, this picture, and then I would add some like small pictures here and that. You can go to Pixabay and get a lot of, or if you use Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, which is an AI image generator, you can create similar sort of pictures. And here is the story, so you can put it into like little paragraphs and spread it across many pages. Okay, so there you go. Look, the pictures are really cute, the stories are good. It's 200 pages, you see, 202. So a lot of children stories. Very enchanting, very charming pictures. So yeah, so a lot of value there. And also on the sales page, they give you some ideas on how to monetize them. You see, you can see so like little samples, not really the text samples, but you're gonna be shown here the covers, the book covers, and the rest of the stories, more stories you see here. So you see all of the titles right there listed. I'm not too sure if they've listed all of the 101. I don't think so. There's more. Alright guys, so there's some suggestions on how to make money with them, but obviously I would either use Amazon or Etsy, or you can give them away as bonuses. So yeah, PLR products, what can I say? There was something else I wanted to show you, the funnel, yeah? So let's check the prices. The front end will be $10. Let me just pop myself up here. Ta-da. And there will be an inline offer, which I highly recommend, because you're getting another 100 bedtime stories books with PLR rights for, again, $10 also. Then OTO number, it should be 1 really here. AI Kids Books Academy for $27. There will be an inline offer of 20,000 Midjourney prompts for $13.99. OTO number 2, that should be 2 really. They should correct that. So AI Kid Books Academy, I'm not too sure because it seems like a repetition here. So the product didn't go live yet. Maybe they are still working on the funnel here. But there will be, about 4 or 5 upsells, and from what I can see, there will be some like inline offers as well, so like a bump offer on not only the front end but on quite a few of the upsells as well. So guys, pick what you like, what you want, what you need for your business, and leave what you don't need. Okay, simple as that. And yeah, as I was saying, this product goes live today on the 17th. I don't know if I mentioned that, I might have forgotten, excusez-moi. But yeah, today is 17th of January, 11 a.m. New York time, and the launch period continues till the 22nd of January, midnight. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you shortly. I'll be back tomorrow with a product by Mr. Nelson. What's his surname? Nelson, the guy from Australia. I like this vendor a lot. He's also like big on PLR. Nelson Long, yeah. He's launching a cool product tomorrow, so I'll be back definitely. I'll bring it to light and let it shine like a diamond. Alright, and this one goes live soon. Okay, probably by the time I manage to upload this video on YouTube, it will already be live. So $10 for the front end. The link in the description box if you want it. If you want it badly, if you want it now, then go get it. Alright, and I'll go and get some fresh air now as well. Alright, bye.